Alright. Let's see the little fish.
Look at him, he's steady holding.
I spent a lot of money and I spent a lot of time. The trip we made to Hollywood is etched upon my mind. After all the things we done and seen to find another man, the things you think are useless I can't understand. Are you really in the
You gonna bring him up? Oh, there he comes. Little brown shirt.
He's gonna run again.
Smaller than the other one. Oh, yeah.
Man, I'm working this drag. I feel the bearings in this ditch.
Wait for the rod to break. That's a cheap rod he's got.
He's at a standstill with me.
Bring him up. Let's see what I
No,
got.
I'll bring him up. Let's tire him out first.
Yeah, he's tired. Oh, let me get the gas.
Looks like he keeps more than a belly.